Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to download ringtones for your jailbroken any Apple product that can be jailbroken. So you want to make sure you have Cydia. Go ahead and open up your Cydia. And go to your search and type in and there it is right there. I already have it, so I'm not going to re-download it, but just download, you know the drill. Once you have it, it will be up, right, wherever it will be, I don't know, but maybe on ringtones, and it's basically a bunch of things, so I'll go ahead and download, I don't know, I'll download one of my songs. Oops, Ed. Sorry about this one, I didn't know this was coming. Okay, but let me just go put the music back on for you guys. Ignore all of this. Okay, so I'm just going to search for my favorite songs. See if my search will work right now. Oh, there it is, that's Fox Stevenson, and you can play the music if you like it. You just click add to ringtones and it'll download down. And when you have that, you want to go to your settings. And you want to go to, sorry about this one, when you're in like the general, go below wallpapers and brightness, the sounds. And you just pick one of these. Everything stays. I'm just going to change my, I'm going to change my text tone to sandblast. And so yeah, if you guys enjoyed this at all, and if this helped you, and maybe like getting ringtones, just anything like that, thank you guys for watching the video. Hope you guys appreciate. More to come. Make sure whenever my other partner of this video, Eli, posts a video, make sure to check his videos out too, because I'm sure his videos will be good too. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.